Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Jeep Cherokee radiator. First, ensure your engine is cool. Begin by safely draining the old coolant from both the radiator and the engine block into a suitable container. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Then, remove the air intake system components to gain better access. Finally, detach the upper and lower radiator hoses, along with any transmission cooler lines connected to the radiator. Now that the lines are disconnected, it's time to remove the old radiator. Start by detaching the fan shroud, which is typically held by a few bolts or clips. Disconnect any electrical connections leading to the cooling fan. Next, locate and unbolt the radiator mounting brackets that secure it to the vehicle's frame. With everything loose, carefully lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay, being mindful of any remaining drips. With the old radiator out, let's install the new one. Carefully lower the new radiator into the engine bay, ensuring it aligns correctly with the mounting points. Secure it by reattaching the mounting bolts and then reinstall the fan shroud. Next, reconnect all the radiator hoses, ensuring they are clamped tightly. Don't forget to reattach the transmission cooler lines and all electrical connectors for the fan. Double-check every connection for tightness. You're almost done. Now, refill the cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended type and amount of coolant, typically around 10 to 12 quarts for a Jeep Cherokee. Start the engine with the heater on high and allow it to reach operating temperature, bleeding any trapped air from the system. Keep an eye on the coolant level and top it off as needed. Finally, thoroughly inspect for any leaks and test drive your vehicle to confirm proper cooling performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.